Go get him. Go get her, Nala. Go get her. You started
Piston, that is so uneventful.
You started it. That's weird. I don't know what that is. They're both wagging their tails. That's a good thing.
Get her, Piston. Get down.
Ow. You need your nails cut too.
Go play with her. She just got them cut.
Ow. They be like jagged when they first get them cut.
Kiss me. But we're both...
They're checking each other out.
Baddest one hit my hand. Piston's like, you are not playing with me, and I don't like this.
I think she's submitting. I'm trying to figure it out. But they're both laying down, so I can't tell. Nala's usually dominant. The Piston's dominant, so I don't know.
Nala just like, can we just be friends? Nala, go get her. Go play.
She's usually the calm dog.
Go play.
She'll steal stuff. She like will Bogart take stuff from other dogs.
Piston. Go get your toy, Piston. Go get your toy. No, that's not yours. She's like, Mommy, you didn't give it to me.
I didn't. Ew. You are a lot slobbery than
Oh, it's so nasty. Oh my gosh.
Nala's not that slobbery.
It is disgusting.
Here, you can share her slob.
Right?
I wipe her slob on her. Don't play. You got to be more social. All right, y'all know each other now.
That's nasty.
What's your name?
Piston, Piston, stop. No.
Vicky can't stand that either. I'm like, but they're dogs. That's what they do. That's how they get to know each other.
But you smelling her crotch. Oh, that was so cute, though.
Go play. Go play. Go get it. Go. Go.
Piston, Piston, Piston. Go play. Go play. Not with me. With Nala.
Go. Go get her.
Go get her. Go get her. Go get her.
Nala, go.
Go get her.
Out. 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 Whoa.
Get down, Piston. Piston down.
You are very spastic.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Yes. That was funny. Aww. Now you guys are getting to know each other. Nala and Piston getting to know each other.
So now you have two friends. She bullies Ola. Okay, y'all got cool now?
I'm going to think so. Except for I'm still sniffing her butt.
I'm surprised she's letting her.
Piston, stop.
Because normally she'd be running away. Or she'll sit down. Like when dogs try to sniff her, she'll sit down.
Lay down, Piston. Piston. Piston, lay. Lay. Sit down. Lay down. Lay down. Good girl.
Get out of there. She doesn't know how to lay down yet.